If you need an easy and economical replacement for your 2019 to 2021 Silverado 1500's front bumper outer filler, then this is the choice for you. This gives you OEM style, fitment, and materials for a lower price than you pay from your Chevy dealer. Now, a quick note on fitment before we dive in here. This is the passenger side filler panel, and it's designed to fit all 2019 to 2021 Silverado 1500s, as well as the 2022 Silverado 1500 LTD. Now, if you need the driver's side panel instead or in addition to this one, we do have that available on our site as well. Now, this generation of Silverado has some very aggressive styling that was controversial when it came out, and these little panels do help add to it. But small plastic panels like this at the front end of a truck can take a beating out on the road, and their location means that they can also be easy to break. And if they do break, getting a replacement from a dealer can be expensive. Now, this panel is a perfect fit for the passenger side of your truck and will swap right in place of your original. And it's going to get your truck looking factory fresh in no time. The panel is made of the same ABS plastic as your original, and it comes unpainted as you see it out of the box, but it does include all the clips and fasteners on the back that you need to get it installed. Now, that does mean that you will need to paint this, but the material means that it's ready for paint again right out of the box, and if you're feeling up to it, hey, maybe you can just leave it black if you want for that more rugged look. Though I do suggest a little paint to get your truck looking factory fresh. Pricing comes in at about $175, which is a pretty small price to pay for something like this, and it's likely going to cost you a bit less than what you pay if you went through your Chevy dealer. Installation is also quite simple, and accordingly gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter. The job should take you maybe an hour or so to complete. As this is designed to be a factory part, it's just going to swap right in with no fuss. We're also going to walk you through the installation process right now, and for that, we'll head out to the shop.
For this install, you need a ratchet and a T15 socket. Alright, today we're going to be installing a front trim panel on our Silverado, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off in our wheel well here. We have to take out 3 screws, one here, here, and here. So we're going to grab our ratchet T15 socket and take these out. Now we're going to take our panel off, so we're going to start in the bottom corner here. Just pull that out of our fender. Pull that off, we'll release the tabs, and then we have 2 push clips here and 2 push clips there that are already released. We can go ahead and put this on the side. So now we're going to get our new panel installed. We already have our clips installed in here. So we have 2 up top, 2 on the side that go here and here. So we'll just push this all on at the same time. And we just need to re-secure our screws in the wheel liner. So now we're going to re-secure our 3 screws for our ratchet and T15 socket. And that wraps up our install of our replacement front bumper outer filler for our passenger side for our 2019 and 21 Silverado 1500 and 2022 Silverado 1500 LTD. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.